Thank you. So good afternoon, I'm Yong from Pentaip. Pentaip product is related to everyone when it comes to investment. So the biggest problem in the investment is difficult. But no one think investment is easy, but everyone need investment to grow their wealth. So the key point is investment is not easy, but needed. So can AI technology help people on this? The answer is yes. So that's why we are here introducing the robo-advisor social exchange. We will start from 300,000 robo-advisor, and each robot are specialized in different field. And our robot technology are equity-based, and each robot are unique. So example, when you want to invest in technology, you can find technology robot. When you want to invest in US market, you can find US market robot. So this is the place that certified people investment need, and most importantly, there's no minimum deposit requirement. So how it works is actually very simple. It's only 3 simple steps. First, you will download the apps. Second, you deposit your money. And third, you choose a robot. Then it will start running, fully automated. If you like to choose more than one robot or any number of robots, just do it. So the revenue model is extremely typical fund management model. When user assign a robot to manage, let's say $100, we charge $1. And then when the robot make money for user, we take profit sharing. So compared with a typical hedge fund model, we are cheaper, high-tech, no entry barrier, and fully automated by AI. So currently we are in the seed stage, and stage away from Singapore is 4 years old, and Betterman and Sophie from United States is more than 9 years old, and we will slowly get there. We look forward to acquire 10,000 subscribers by 2021. And the team behind the company is a team of 12 people with different field expertise. And Dr. Kwa, PhD in blockchain, is our CTO. And GreenPro is our main partner and first institution investor. They are a Nasdaq listed company based in Hong Kong with 9 financial licenses under Hong Kong regulation. Our partnership is a finance plus technology partnership to launch the robo-advisor social exchange together. They will take care of compliance, we will take care of technology. And I'm Yong, a serial entrepreneur, one of Synergy founding team. The company now worth 70 million ringgit Malaysia valuation as of today. And this is my second startup. I'm the founder, and the AI technology is all built in-house. And I have a 10-year experience in investment, 9 years experience in technology, 5 years experience in quantitative, and 3 years experience in fintech industry. So this company start with a founder fund, and then we targeted to raise maximum $800,000 maximum in seed stage with $7 million post valuation. And then we are going to launch our ECL platform in Crowd Plus of Asia. And a short summary is invest on us is invest in the future of wealth management. And when people open their mobile and think about investment, they will think about Pentaip, a robot advisor that have all unique investment robot to serve the people. If you want to be our first round investor, please contact us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ning.
So I stop sharing the screen now.
Yeah.
Hi, Yong. I have a couple of questions. My first question is, you said that each of your robo-advisor is based on an industry. Is that right? Like technology, for example. But the first question I have is, what about our risk appetite? I may be interested in technology, but my risk appetite within technology could be different from different people. And my second question is, have you back-tested to see how your robo-advisors performed with the latest crash in the market as compared to your competitors?
Okay, so the first question is the type of the robot. So the robot will cover the conservative style, trend following style, all kind of different investment style, include the conservative and the aggressive. So that's why we have 300,000 because including the investment style and different mandate. And then the second question is about backtest. Yes, I have 5 years experience in quantitative, so backtest is the most basic thing. But actually, I would say our technology is not only backtest, it also includes self-improving. So because it's an AI technology, so it's unlike the past time, the pure quantitative backtest is different technology already. Yeah. Thank you.
So how was your performance with the technology you have? How did your robo-advisors perform versus your competitors?
Okay, we have 300,000 robo-advisor, which trained from 23 million seed, and so far we already trained 3,000, and so far it's outperformed the benchmark.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Who's next? Jeanette, maybe you have some questions?
So the judges, don't be shy, we are waiting for questions. I have a question.
Yes, please.
Hello, hi.
I mean, I'm just curious, like, why the need for so many different robo-advisors, right? Like, why do you need 300,000? Like, what I've seen normally, I mean, a lot of people try to do this, right? Like, it's a very competitive market. And what I've seen is they specialize on one particular asset class. Like, why do you want to be everything to everybody? Like, I mean, and is that really like the proper strategy to take in this space, which is so competitive?
I think so, because 1,000 trader or 1,000 investor, there's 1,000 different style. So which means that you have to offer something that is personalized. So my target is actually to offer the platform that can personalize your need. So you can ask back to yourself a question: do you engage any robo-advisor that only offer one asset class? And if not, why not?
But well,
But most of the answer is the answer to me say because they either like it or don't like it. They don't have choice for personalized.
yeah, well, the premise actually to me is that, like, in this space of robo-advising, like, I don't understand why they do it, right? Like, if you say that you have the technology that's superior to all the other hundreds, if not thousands of robo-advisors out there, why not do it for yourself? Like, why not raise like a hedge fund and do it for yourself? Like, I feel like if the technology is so superior, is the business model really to provide access to this technology and not use it for my own trading?
My target is actually I want to serve people more than serve small group of people. I want to make the technology popular instead of just keep for high level. So I hope this can be answered. And just pure sharing, I start with a small trader. I start with my investment journey as a small trader. So I think you understand where I come from.
No, the vision is good. I definitely agree. But I think the challenge in this space is you have to convince people that your technology is superior. And when you present this, like, you have to allude to some returns that you're making or why it is that this technology is better than everything else out there. So that's just my advice.
Yeah, for fintech in investment is very simple. The outperform return will attract people who come. So the people who look for high risk, they can come for the high risk. The people who look for low risk, they can come for low risk.
Okay.
So Young, how much money do you need and what do you need it for?
We actually have 2 rounds of fundraising, and this round we are raising $800,000 maximum. And then the purpose of raising the money is to launch the office in the Hong Kong or Singapore, and then to able to start the trustee to collect the user fund. So it's for expansion and set up the business to go to market purpose.
Do you need to set up anything in Hong Kong or move to
Yes.
any location these days?
Yes, it actually related to our strategic partner. So our strategic partner, Greenthrow, is based on Hong Kong, and they have 9 financial licenses there. So to able to collect the user fund, they will take care of the compliance, but we need to expand to more company to actually receive the client fund. So that's why we are fundraising to set up the things.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
What about the asset class? How many asset class can your robot advise? It's
We
only
start from
on
equities first.
equity, that's all.
First, because how to say, in the first stage, I don't want to make it complicated, including crypto, but we will slowly get there. So the first stage, only equity.
So is the algorithm behind, right?
Yes, we can handle different currency because my experience in the past exchange is my experience is I designed the core of the exchange which handle cross currency. So our robot can handle the investment robot for different currency in different country, not only one asset class.
Ning, if I could
Yes.
ask one non-trading question.
Yes, please.
The brains behind the algorithms, or I call it algos, comes from you, right?
Yes. So let me explain a bit of the infrastructure. Is that your question? Yeah, infrastructure, right?
I'm not concerned about the infrastructure.
Okay.
I'm concerned about the risk. Assuming you are no longer around, all the brains are gone. So what happens to the robo-advisor? Okay.
Basically, I already hand over the whole architecture to all the team. So which means that our CTO, our backup CTO, they all know the structure already.
Oh, those are technology related, but I'm talking about the algorithms behind the trading.
The algorithm behind the trading, frankly speaking, it will be better than me just within 1 year. Because it's machine learning, every day improve. Let's say when we launch at Q4, when you come to visit, the robot that you choose maybe already go through 3 million training, and second day when you come in is 3,000,001 training, and one more week you come in is 3,000,010 training. So the robot actually work better than my return within a year. Now it's already almost beat me already.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.